Hi, my name is Alyssa, Ford Mobile Service Coordinator. Today we're going to answer a few of our frequently asked questions. Ford Mobile Service is a complimentary service that we come to your home or your place of work and perform select routine maintenance, battery replacements, and select recalls. No, it is not. Please always ask for myself, Alyssa, or Mark Armato, our service manager. We have been operating for a little bit over 2 years. We are a part of Anderson's Rock River Ford. Yes, we do. Pickup and delivery is complimentary, so no charge to you, and we pick up all makes and models. There is no fee for mobile service, but customer pay fees still apply. Again, there is no additional charge for us to come to you. Yes, on customer pay work, coupons can still be applied, as well as your Ford Pass rewards points. We service the local Rockford area. Yes, every technician goes through Ford training and is certified. Unfortunately, at this time, mobile service does not provide oil changes, but we do offer complimentary pickup and delivery to perform those in the shop. No, unfortunately, we just offer warranty work on Ford vehicles. Thank you for sticking with us to listen to our frequently asked questions. Any other questions, please feel free to reach us at the number below. Until next time.